So I have this Betamax Sony. It's a SL-HF100SA. It's a PAL system. The problem is I hit play and it just stops, cannot run. I already give a maintenance in here in this mechanism. I take it off, but I don't know. I'm not a specialist in this kind of machines. So I hit play and it stops, can run. Not even a cassette, no? Here, let's see. Again, play, nothing. Go forward, have enough strength. Rewind. Okay. Nothing. Well, if you can give me some hint what it is and how can I manage this, how can I fix this? Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.